Hello, and in today's video I will be trying something new and customizing a Hot Wheels motorbike. I've only ever customized cars, so let's try and customize this motorbike.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah.
So the paint on this is not the best.
Right back, she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right.
So then what I've done is I've just hand painted over everything, even the seat, and it looks relatively good. And now to do the fuel cap details, I am just using a metallic Posca paint pen.
You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting.
Now I'm just going to hand paint the seat with this black paint.
Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash your baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. You're perfect just like this, I'm telling no lies. Make it sweet.
Alrighty, so the bike's done, so let's film some clips with it.